Hello, Assalamualaikum. I'm from Group 1. Today, we want to present about BIM and Big Data Analytics. Why we choose the BIM? Because we are from the Building Construction Technology Program, which is a BIM stand for Building Information Modeling. Is a more related and near with our program. And then the Big Data Analytics, why we choose because this is more related with BIM. So we will reveal my team. Okay, the first is me, is Syahmi, and then the second, the Fletcher, and the third, Megat, and then the fourth is Andrew, and then the five, Ashraf, and then the sixth, Syed, and then the seventh, Fahmi, and then the eighth, Arif, and then the nine, Aiman, and then last, Zaim. So this is the topic we will present. The first is introduction, the second is element, the third is a literature review, and then four, answer of interview, and then five, product, and then six, the analysis, and then seven, the observation, is eight, opinion of improvement, and then the last, the conclusion. So and then I will pass to my friend is Ahmad Zaim to present about introduction.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Ahmad Zaim. Now I'm going to present about introduction. BIM is an acronym for Building Information Modeling or Building Information Management. Building Information Modeling is a process often mentioned as an enabler of various benefits within architecture, engineering, construction, creating and managing information for a built asset production 4.0. The first industrial revolution in the construction industry, with prospects such as improved sustainability, enhanced funds predictability, time saving, and improved site safety. Big data analytics is the use of advanced computing technologies on huge data sets to discover valuable correlations, patterns, trends, and preferences for companies to make better decisions in Industry 4.0. Big data analytics play as a role in a few areas, including in smart factories, where sensor data from production machinery is analyzed to predict when maintenance and repair operations will be needed. Building information modeling and big data analytics are two distinct but interconnected concepts in the field of architecture, engineering, and construction. So now I'm gonna pass to the next slide.
Element Big Data Analytic. So, process industry have been acquiring and analyzing data from their assets and product to give us data-driven decision and changing the safety and efficiency of their plants. This system architecture consists of four elements: hardware and sensor layer, data management layer, application layer, and networking layer. As the physical and cyber domains of Industry 4.0, best process data analytic platforms are more integrated. The chapter presents the cyber-physical implication of such thing integration. Data analysis. Data analysis is the process of inspecting, cleansing, transforming, and modeling data with the goal of discovering useful information, informing conclusions, and supporting decision making. Data mining. Data mining is a particular data analysis technique that focuses on statistical modeling and knowledge discovery for predictive rather than purely descriptive purpose. While business intelligence covers data analysis that relies heavily on aggregation, focusing mainly on business information.
Assalamualaikum, and my name is Megat Imran from University Saham. Today I would like to presenting about literature review of combination of big data analysis and building information modeling. So recent years have been major development in the building information modeling. Distance concentrating on engaging cooperation, risk management, and general productivity in the architecture, engineering, and construction sector. There are several ways big data analytics interact with building information modeling. First, data integration. Building information modeling BIM produce a vast amount of data including architecture drawing, building plan, material specification, and maintenance schedule. These many dataset may combine into a single platform for true examination with the use of big data analysis. The second one is collaboration. By providing a centralized model that all stakeholders may access and update, BIM facilities improve cooperation between architect, engineering, and construction expert. So the third, risk management. With BIM, you can find and reduce any risk in the building process, such delay, overspending, and safety issues. Big data analysis may assist in identifying risk indicator and recommended mitigation solution by evaluating vast volume of data from diverse sources. The fourth one is resource allocation. By allocating personnel, suppliers, and machineries in an effective and efficient manner, BIM can help the construction sector optimize the use of its resource. The fifth one, facilities management. Utilizing BIM to produce complex model of already existing structure, facility managers will be able to better manage their resource. Big data analytic may find pattern and trend in the data produced by building activities, which can enhance facility management produce. Lastly, energy consumption. By evaluating data on energy use and finding out how to spend less energy, BIM may be used to design building in the increased energy efficiency in order to make more informed decision and spend less on energy. Big data analytics may be used to find pattern and trend in the data on energy use. In conclusion, by offering insightful information and engaging decision making, big data analytics has the ability to completely transform the BIM sector. However, it is essential to have right tool, technique, and methodologies in a place to harness the power of big data in this context. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. Today I want to present about the answer for the interview with assistant architecture. This is a short list. The total for the question we have asked and then answer we get the 12 the totally. So the first, the name is Muhammad Aizat bin Bahrain, as the architecture grade JE29. Start working at FPTV 1 January 2024. Before this, he was worked at UTSM Paguh campus. At Paguh campus, he was worked as BIM lab assistant. And the second answer, BIM, Autodesk, Revit, AutoCAD, and Tekla is the software in the BIM. BIM more detailing on the modeling, detailed by experience. BIM more structure and engineering about foundation and architecture. The third answer is since 2017 to 2023 he was worked at UTSM Paguh campus and transferred to UTSM Pahit Raja campus on 2024. For now, it just has 30 unit of PC, but student has more of that. Sometimes student had to share PC ada student, university need to adding the computer units, and then the fifth answer is based on experience. Student at final year usually they have certificate of BIM software and also helpfully for industry. This is a good feedback for the industry. And the sixth, it will make the advantage for student on industry because they need the student have skillful of BIM software. So which is this more is a one advantage and talents for the student in building construction or construction manager. And then the seventh, actually current industry, current technology very need student to have the skill of this, especially the staff want to apply the new job vacancy. Knowledge about BIM software is the priority. Advising for him when sitting on the BIM studying, just gain the maximum of the knowledge and the chance from the lecturer and focus on skill, because if student have the skill of BIM, it will make advantage on industry. And then the eighth answer is Revit and Autodesk is the most popular. And then the ninth, like Raja Campus, it's not yet to use this software, but it's by Raja Campus is still using for the SketchUp. For the certain faculty to use the 3D software. And then it's more to the Autodesk, the second last answer, the Autodesk, Revit and SketchUp Pro also using on BIM lab. And then the 11th, usually student must to install the BIM software for easy access at home, or for using for study or working. And then each student have a own laptop. Is the important to use, and then to sharpen the skills. And then the last for student is has the special prize, but every student must have register the account of software like Autodesk, like Timber, like BIM, Edifeatures, and then some of them. Right? Thank you. This is from me only. Next, I will give to my friend. Okay, Assalamualaikum.
Okay, right now I will present about the products that are available in BIM. Building Information Modeling, also known as BIM, is a modeling technology and set of related process for generating, communicating, analyzing, and using digital information models throughout the construction life cycle. So that's why in any public institution of higher learning or IPT, or university recommended to any lecturer to provide teaching knowledge to the students about BIM by using BIM products that are available. So the example of the products that the BIM provide to everyone, firstly the AutoCAD. The AutoCAD is a software commonly used for general purpose in designing and sketching with computer aid in the information of models and 2 and 3-dimensional sketches, or better known as computer aided drafting and design program, or in short as CAD. Secondly is StreamBIM. StreamBIM is a cloud-based platform for building information modeling. In the construction industry, BIM is a process that involves creating and managing a digital representation of the physical and functional feature of a buildings or infrastructure. Thirdly, the BricsCAD. The BricsCAD is a paid multi-platform software from CAD developed by the company BricsCAD, compatibly with AutoCAD since it works natively with the DWG files, guaranteeing being able to exchange files with other users. Fourthly is SketchUp. SketchUp is a lot of 3D software that is rather complicated to make a model, so move to create a modeling software that can be played not only by those who have an engineering background but can be operated by anyone. And lastly is Edipicius. Edipicius is a BIM application that is shown to design architecture. Edipicius is said that it facilitates the user when designing an architectural drawing, taking into account the whole new technology and rules.
Interview analysis. Interview analysis refers to the process of systematically examining and interpreting data gathered from interviews. The analysis of interview data involves organizing, categorizing, and interpreting to the information collected during the interviews to identify patterns, themes, and insights.
So these are the causes and issues that are plaguing the cybersecurity industry. The first one is cybersecurity issues faced by the cybersecurity industry continue to grow as per quoted by Multinergy in 2023. This was backed up by widespread security breaches in 2020, culminating in widespread supply chain attacks. When the process of digitalization occurs, information will be disseminated via the internet and funds will be transferred online, as quoted by WR1 Rosley in 2021. Nearly 40% of WEF leaders cite cybersecurity as clear and present danger to the global economy, as quoted by Lynch K in 2021. Because of this, botnets involve groups of hacked devices that are then used for nefarious activities such as conducting DDoS attacks or in long-term words, distributed denial of service attacks or using ransomware such as WannaCry. Furthermore, cybercrime has become more sophisticated and difficult to detect, with many attacks targeting vulnerabilities in widely used software systems in cybersecurity, as per quoted by Cybersecurity Measure in 2022. Take WannaCry cyber attack that occurred in 2014, where 230,000 computers were infected. This was because either these affected computers didn't update their Windows security or using pirate version of Windows. As a result, hackers demand ransom to these users in the form of Bitcoin.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Saidina bin Muhammad Jamil. Today I want to present about observation that we made at BIM Lab between big data analytics. So the first point that I get is for data. According to the reference, BIM technology consists of 4 data layers. These layers have data classification to boot a construction project in virtual environment. Big data analysis can use to apply information to manufacturing model made with BIM, which can then be extracted. According to reference, BIM technology consists of 4 data layers. These layers have data classification to build a construction project in virtual, such as you can use AutoCAD and SketchUp. The second point is smart construction. The information can then be used to make a change to the project plan to improve the efficiency. And in addition, digital twin, intelligent robotic, and BIM. So the third is digitalization. The implementation of big data analytics in BIM can digitalize the construction industry. Digitalizing the construction industries and integrating the data with suitable method of visualization over the sector. Deployment of such technologies and process is essential to the required advancement of the construction industry. So that's all for my presentation. I will pass the form to my friend to present about the next slide. Thank you.
For opinion of improvement, according to Al-Asmori 2020, The benefit of BIM technology to the industry refer to the advantage gained from its implementation, including improvement collaboration among project stakeholders, better efficiency in project management, streamlined communication, reduced error, better visualization of program component, and optimal use of resource. There are also some suggestion improvement to BIM for the industry revolution, such as cyber security measure. Enhancing cyber security for Industry 4.0 refer to the implementation of advanced measures, protocol, and technology aimed at safeguarding interconnected system, ICT device, and digital infrastructure within smart factory and industry environment. Second is integration of IoT and sensor data. The integration of IoT and sensor data is the content of Industry 4.0 involve the comprehensive amalgamation and utilization of interconnected IoT device and sensor generate data within smart factory environment. It facilitates the continuous collection, transmission, and analysis of real-time and contextual information from diverse sources. Third is enhanced interoperability. Enhancing interoperability of Industry 4.0 refer to the advancement and integration of standardized protocol, framework, and technology within smart manufacturing ecosystem. The improvement aim to enable seamless communication, connectivity, and data exchange among heterogeneous system, device, and platform across the industry landscape.
In construction industry, the use of building information modeling (BIM) has been a game changer in terms of improving project management, collaboration, and cost efficiency. But BIM is not just a 3D modeling tool. It can also be used to manage building information and analyze data throughout the life cycle of a project. BIM can also be used for data analytics by integrating data from various sources. BIM can help identify patterns and trends can inform decision making throughout the project life cycle.
So that's all. Thank you.